Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen and Home Review. In this video, we review 35 Amazon cleaning gadgets that actually work. Smart and powerful cleaning tools that make home cleaning faster, easier, and more efficient. If you're looking for smart cleaning solutions that save time and make your home shine, this video is for you. So let's start the main video. Power through tough messes with the Bissell Steam Shot OmniReach. This handheld portable steam cleaner tackles tile, grout, windows, bathrooms, kitchens, and even fabrics, delivering fast, chemical-free cleaning with precision and ease. The Ecovacs Winbot W2 Pro Omni makes window cleaning effortless with intelligent, automated performance. Its portable station powers and charges the robot while it works, while the triple nozzle sprayer delivers thorough, streak-free cleaning. With 12-level safety protection, it cleans high or hard-to-reach windows with confidence, convenience, and precision. Upgrade your space with the Best Office 13-gallon automatic touchless trash designed with smart sensor technology. It opens hands-free for a cleaner, more hygienic experience. The tight sealing lid provides powerful odor control, while the modern oval stainless steel design is durable and easy to clean. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, offices, or any home, this sleek trash can combine style, convenience, and reliability. Clean small spaces fast with the McBasil Portable Mini Cleaning Mop. Designed for wet and dry use, this mini sponge mop is perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, desktops, glass, cars, and more. It includes 2 sponge heads and an easy squeeze handle for mess-free wringing. Compact, lightweight, and convenient, it makes quick cleanups simple anywhere you need. The Hobit 2S automatic window cleaning robot delivers smart, hands-free cleaning with its ultrasonic water spray and AI-powered route planning. Dual replaceable water tanks ensure continuous performance, while you can control everything easily through your smartphone or remote. Perfect for achieving streak-free windows with zero effort. Upgraded 4-row bristles design, high-quality broom bristle construction, more dense and durable. Compact storage keep your home or workspace clean and tidy. Works perfectly for multi-surface, suitable for indoor use. Easy to clean broom into dustpan, clean pet hair and human hair with one pull on the teeth. The rubber lip of the dustpan is flush with the floor, and the teeth clean out the bristles easily. Make your life cleaner and make your housework easier. Easily clean hard-to-reach ceiling fans with the blade-made ceiling fan cleaner. Featuring a 3-foot extendable pole, flexible brush, reusable fiber duster, and specially designed cleaning head, it removes dust and dirt safely and efficiently. Perfect for high ceilings, fan blades, and other elevated surfaces, making cleaning quick and hassle-free. Shower Squeegee. Streak-free, squeak-free. Docroc Squeegee for shower glass door will effortlessly remove the water drops, soap scum and other sources of buildup of your shower glass door cleaner and other surfaces with just a few wipes. Getting your cleaning activities done fast and easy with no streak and squeak. Sturdy durable, made of 100% rust-resistant stainless steel and premium silicone blade, our Shower Squeegee, shower door squiggy with exquisite craft ensure the durability and long-lasting use for your daily household cleaning activities. A must-have window squeegee for window cleaning, bathroom squeegee for shower glass doors. Ergonomic design. Features an ergonomic structure and precise cut silicone blade. This shower glass squeegee car squeegee provides you a comfortable anti-slip grip to efficiently clean your tile show walls with minimum time and effort. Flat Vac. Meet the Levoit LVAC 200 cordless vacuum cleaner, a lightweight, powerful cleaning solution designed for everyday convenience. With up to 50 minutes of runtime, it delivers strong suction for carpets, hard floors, and stubborn pet hair. Its tangle-resistant design keeps maintenance simple, while the rechargeable battery lets you clean freely without cords holding you back. Versatile attachments help you reach corners, furniture, and tight spaces with ease. Perfect for busy homes, this stick vacuum combines power, flexibility, and comfort in one sleek, easy-to-use design. Easily tackle tough messes with the Dyself Razor Blade Scraper. This versatile scraper comes with 15 extra blades and built-in blade storage, perfect for cleaning windows, paint, cooktops, ovens, and glass stove tops. Durable and easy to use, it delivers precise, safe scraping for all your home projects. The O-Cedar Easy Ring Microfiber Spin Mop Bucket Floor Cleaning System, red/gray, delivers a fast, hands-free floor cleaning solution. Just dip the microfiber head in water, set it in the bucket's built-in wringer, and press the foot pedal to spin out excess water. Its triangular, 360-degree swivel mop head reaches corners and cleans under furniture easily, while the washable microfiber traps dirt and removes 99% of bacteria using only water. Ideal for tile, hardwood, laminate, vinyl, and other sealed hard floors. Reach dust anywhere with the deluxe microfiber feather duster, featuring an extra-long 100-inch extendable pole. The bendable head easily cleans ceiling fans, high ceilings, blinds, furniture, and even cars. Its soft microfiber traps dust without scratching, making cleaning faster, safer, and more effective throughout your home. Make cleaning easy with this all-purpose scrubbing brush. Perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, bathtubs, and toilets, its ergonomic handle ensures comfort, while the durable bristles tackle dirt and grime efficiently. Clean every corner effortlessly. Keep your home cleaner and fresher with this handheld mattress vacuum cleaner. Featuring powerful 16 kilopascal suction and 12,800 vibrations per minute, it effectively lifts dust and debris from mattresses, pillows, sofas, carpets, and other fabric surfaces. The built-in UV function supports deeper surface cleaning, while the compact handheld design makes it easy to use anywhere. Ideal for everyday fabric care and a cleaner living space. Clean hard-to-reach windows with ease using the Tyroler Glider D3 magnetic window cleaner. Its double-sided design and adjustable magnetic strength let you safely clean glass 0.1 inch to 1.1 thick from both sides at once. Perfect for high, wide, or outdoor windows, it delivers streak-free shine with fast, effortless control. Deep clean your toilet with the Pumice Stone Toilet Bowl Cleaner. The long handle brush and pumice stones easily remove hard water stains and buildup, keeping your bathroom sparkling clean. Durable and effective for tough stains every time. Make cleaning easier with the Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber 18-piece kit. This cordless, battery-powered scrub brush delivers fast, powerful scrubbing for kitchens, bathrooms, tile, grout, showers, and tubs. With multiple interchangeable heads and a water-resistant design, it removes dirt and grime effortlessly, saving you time and effort. Clean small spaces effortlessly with the 2025 new Upgrade Mini Mop. This portable self-squeezing mop works wet or dry, perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, desktops, and glass surfaces. Compact and easy to use, it comes with 2 sponges for versatile cleaning. Lightweight and efficient, it's ideal for quick, mess-free touch-ups in any tight space. Clean faster and easier with the TUYU Electric Spin Scrubber. Its powerful motor and LCD display keep you in control, while the IPX7 waterproof design handles bathrooms, kitchens, and more. The adjustable extension handle reaches high and low spots with ease. Cordless, efficient, and versatile, perfect for tubs, showers, floors, and walls. Make cleaning fast and effortless with the Gilmore 875084 1001 Foamaster Sprayer. This 4 ounces single-ratio nozzle creates rich, even foam for washing cars, windows, patios, and more. Simply attach it to your hose for powerful, consistent coverage. Durable, easy to use, and perfect for quick, effective outdoor cleaning. Keep your floors spotless with the iVac Home Touchless Vacuum. This automatic dustpan instantly sucks up pet hair, food crumbs, and dirt with its powerful 1,000-watt motor. Just sweep debris toward the sensor. No bending or bags required. Perfect for kitchens and pet-friendly homes, it delivers fast, hands-free cleaning every time. Make laundry easy anywhere with this 16L mini foldable laundry machine. Designed for baby clothes, underwear, and socks, It delivers powerful yet gentle washing with a built-in spinner. Lightweight, portable, and space-saving, it's perfect for travel, dorm rooms, small apartments, and camping, giving you clean clothes anytime, anywhere, without the hassle of a full-size washer. Tackle tough cleaning jobs with the McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner. With up to 2 hours of chemical-free steam and 23 accessories, it powers through dirt on tile, carpet, furniture, and even car interiors. The mop head, brushes, and tools make deep cleaning fast, effective, and safe for your whole home. Lint Remover. Restore your fabrics with the Electrolux Rechargeable Fabric Shaver, designed to eliminate fuzz, lint, and pilling from clothes and furniture. With 3 adjustable speeds and a sharp, efficient shaving system, it delivers quick, gentle refreshes to your garments. The LED display shows power and speed levels, while the Type-C fast charging port keeps it ready anytime. Stylish in blue, it's a powerful tool for keeping fabrics looking new. Microfiber Spin Mop. Hands-free wringing. Our exclusive mop bucket design features a built-in wringer that allows for hands-free wringing, while Splash Guard keeps water splash and spray inside the bucket when wringing or when transporting the bucket from room to room. Machine washable. The EasyWring microfiber mop head is machine washable and reusable. We recommend replacing the mop head refill every 3 months for optimal floor cleaning results. Deep Cleaning Microfiber. O'Cedar's EasyWring microfiber spin mop bucket floor cleaning system uses millions of strands of advanced microfiber to effectively capture dirt and grime with just plain water, eliminating the need for harsh chemicals. Safe for all hard flooring, including finished hardwood, wood laminate, tile, vinyl, and more. System includes EasyWring bucket, telescopic handle that adjusts to 4.25 feet, 51 inches, and microfiber mop head. Cooktop and Stovetop Cleaner Kit. Keep your kitchen shining with the Cooktop and Stovetop Cleaner Kit. Specially designed to remove grease, burnt-on food, and stains, this kit ensures your glass, ceramic, or stainless steel surfaces stay spotless. The non-scratch formula is tough on grime but gentle on your cooktop, leaving a streak-free shine. Complete with cleaning pads and a scraper, it makes deep cleaning fast and easy. Perfect for daily maintenance or heavy-duty cleaning, this kit is a must-have for every modern kitchen. Electric Spin Scrubber. Efficient cleaning home assistant. Do you often bend over or kneel on the floor to do housework? Don't be afraid. From now on, you can efficiently finish your housework in a relaxed posture with the Dovety Electric Cleaning Brush. Dovety 2024 new upgraded pink electric spin scrubber is here to help you solve all the problems. Say goodbye to the traditional tedious cleaning. Take care of your family and let them less tired from cleaning. Dual speed for efficient cleaning. The pink shower brush set has 2 cleaning speeds. Low speed 300 RPM, high speed 500 RPM. The default speed is high when the brush is started, and long press for 2 seconds to easily switch to high speed. Allows you to choose the cleaning method that works for you, to meet your different cleaning needs and cope with different levels of stains, saving you valuable time. Easily tackle pet hair with the Black Plus Decker Pet Hair Remover Roller. Designed to remove dog and cat hair from furniture, clothing, and car interiors, it makes cleanup fast and effortless. Durable, reusable, and simple to use, it keeps your home and belongings hair-free in seconds. Shark Upright Vacuum. Do you want every corner of your home spotless, with no area left untouched? I've personally tested the Shark Upright Vacuum Navigator Liftaway Deluxe on floors, carpets, and furniture, and it's truly powerful. The large dust cup capacity means no constant emptying, while the HEPA filter ensures dust and allergens won't make their way back into your home. Swivel steering makes maneuvering so easy that reaching under the sofa, around tables, or into tight corners is effortless. Extra attachments like the upholstery tool and crevice tool take your cleaning experience to the next level. With the lift-away feature, the vacuum becomes lightweight and compact, making stairs and small spaces simple to clean without any hassle. If you want fast, thorough, and hassle-free cleaning, try it once. You'll hardly believe such performance is possible in a vacuum. Dish Cleaning Brush. Keep your dishes sparkling clean with the Dish Cleaning Brush. Designed with durable bristles, this brush easily removes grease, stains, and stuck-on food without scratching your plates, pans, or cookware. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making dishwashing faster and more efficient. Perfect for everyday kitchen use, this versatile brush is also ideal for cleaning sinks, cleaning rubber gloves. High-quality material. These latex gloves are made of soft rubber, which is both stain-free and odor-free. You also get the fresh, light smell of rubber from them, better than other materials. Best of all, soft latex is gentle on the skin, so you will not get allergic reactions. Protect your hand. These gloves will make it possible for you that is allergic to hand wash the dishes that are not dishwasher safe. Practical design. The design of granules in the palm and fingers increases friction to ensure a better grip and control. The 13.7 inches glove length and cuffs tighten, designed to prevent water from flowing into the glove. Rational component. One order contains 2 pairs of gloves. Distinguish between different work use is a good helper for your life. Best cleaning gloves. Ideal for kitchen cleaning, dishwashing, car wash, indoor and outdoor cleaning, pet care use, etc. Keep floors spotless with the Teethus Flat Floor Mop and Bucket Set. Designed for professional quality home cleaning, it features an aluminum handle, 2 washable microfiber pads, and a durable bucket system. Perfect for hardwood, laminate, tile, and vinyl, it makes cleaning kitchens, living rooms, and other spaces fast, efficient, and streak-free. Robot Vacuum. Experience effortless cleaning with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Designed with smart matrix clean navigation for powerful, precise performance. With built-in voice control and advanced home mapping, it learns your space and cleans every corner efficiently. The XL self-empty base holds up to 60 days of dirt, making maintenance worry-free. Perfect for homes with pets, it tackles hair, dust, carpets, and hard floors with ease. In a sleek, cool gray finish, this robot vacuum delivers hands-free convenience, deep cleaning power, and smart technology all in one. Upgrade hygiene with this automatic foaming soap dispenser. It's touchless, rechargeable, and wall-mountable with adjustable foam output and a built-in clock. Perfect for bathrooms or kitchens, it delivers clean, mess-free soap for adults and kids with every wave of your hand. Keep your valuables sparkling with this 48 kHz ultrasonic jewelry cleaner. Using powerful ultrasonic waves, it gently removes dirt from jewelry, eyeglasses, rings, watch straps, and dentures. The 304 stainless steel tank ensures durability, while dual cleaning modes offer quick or deep cleaning. Just add water, press a button, and enjoy professional-level cleaning at home in minutes. Toothbrush cleaner. Keep your toothbrush fresh and hygienic with the Bitvi toothbrush cleaner holder, designed to clean and air-dry your brush automatically. Featuring an intuitive LED smart screen, it shows real-time cleaning status and battery levels for effortless use. This rechargeable, wall-mounted design saves counter space while keeping your bathroom organized. Perfect for daily use, it ensures your toothbrush stays dry, clean, and ready whenever you need it. A smart, modern upgrade for any bathroom.